Hello, everyone. It is Mark Noble with Grove for Libraries with some more 25.11 updates. And this is DIS 1448, which gives us a little bit more control over how events are indexed, and also makes it a lot easier, just fewer things to configure. So here we have our Aspen Events indexing settings. Previously, you would kind of have to, if you wanted um, different events to apply to different libraries, you would have to make a whole bunch of these potentially. Now you're really just creating one. So if you have more, you can delete those and just have a single one. So basically, this is now saying, how do we index all of the custom events within Aspen? Are we doing all of them? How many days do we do? When it was last updated, that kind of thing. Then within the library settings, so we're going to go into primary configuration, our library settings, we now have, if we go to our main demo site, this is for our entire consortium. And we can either search for, so let's search down here and go down to our events. We have our events new section with the Aspen events to include. We can choose to include events at all locations or events that occur at one of this library's locations. Um, so this kind of gives you two options. So for the consortium, you can say, hey, we want to see every single event that is out there. But at each individual library, maybe we only want to see those. So let's look and see what that looks like. So here we've got the consortial calendar. And in this case, we see we've got the Ginkgo library, Aspen, Pine, a bunch of different ones, all kind of scattered throughout. And then if we look at the events calendar for just Aspen, we see in this case we've got an Acebet integration as well, so we see those. But we're also seeing just the Aspen things, not anything occurring at Ginkgo, not anything occurring at Elm or Pine. And if we look at Pine, we can see we just see Pine. So hopefully this helps to keep the search, and this works as well if you're searching. So if we do a search in events for all events, we're going to just see the things occurring at Pine rather than all of the events. If we go back to the main, we would see everything searching events. So there we're seeing Pine and Ginkgo and Aspen. So um, good way to have less overwhelming events for your patrons, make the calendars easier to understand, that kind of thing. So thanks to Click and CDoc for sponsoring this work, and we'll talk to you again soon.